This is an L sample answer. Keep practicing to build confidence. To try a mock test with these questions, watch our mock test video. The link to the PDF document is in the first comment. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any videos. Let's start off by talking about the seasons. What's your favorite season?
I love spring the most because the weather is mild and everything starts blooming. It feels refreshing after the cold winter, and I enjoy spending time outdoors. The colors and fresh air make it such a cheerful season.
What do you like to do in your favorite season?
In spring, I enjoy going for walks in parks and having picnics with friends. It's also the perfect time to do some gardening or visit flower festivals. Being outdoors during this season feels really relaxing and energizing.
Is there any season you dislike?
I'm not a big fan of summer because it can get too hot. The heat makes it hard to concentrate or spend much time outside. I also don't enjoy dealing with the humidity or sweating all the time.
What's the weather like in your country during the different seasons?
In my country, the weather varies a lot. Winters are usually cold and snowy, while summers are hot and sunny. Spring and autumn are mild, with flowers blooming in spring and leaves turning beautiful colors in autumn.
Do seasons affect your mood?
Yes, they do. In winter, I sometimes feel a bit gloomy because of the short, dark days. But spring and summer lift my mood with all the sunshine and energy. Seasons definitely have an impact on how I feel.
That's the end of part 1. Now we are going to move to part 2. In this part, you will have 1 minute to prepare and then speak up to 2 minutes. Describe an occasion when you wore your best clothes. You should say when it was, what clothes you wore, why you wore those clothes, and how you felt about it.
One memorable occasion when I wore my best clothes was at my cousin's wedding last summer. It was a grand event held at a luxurious venue, and I wanted to look my absolute best to match the occasion. I chose a beautifully tailored outfit for the day, a stunning silk dress in purple, adorned with a delicate bow knot. It felt special because it wasn't something I wear every day, and the effort I put into selecting the outfit made me feel confident. My outfit matched the joyful mood of the day. I paired my suit with high heels and a bracelet. The bracelet had been gifted to me by my parents, adding a sentimental touch to my overall look. When I saw myself in the mirror, I felt proud of how everything came together. Many of my relatives and friends complimented me, which made the day even more enjoyable. Throughout the event, my clothing gave me a sense of self-assurance. I participated in various activities, from the traditional ceremony to dancing during the reception, and felt comfortable and stylish the entire time. Wearing something special made the memories of that day even more vivid, as I associate my outfit with the fun and happiness we all shared. Looking back, that day was about more than the wedding. It was about feeling confident. Dressing up reminded me of how clothing can affect our mood and confidence. It's one of those occasions I'll always cherish, both for the memories and for the way I felt.
That's the end of part 2. Now we are going to move on to part 3. We'll continue discussing the topic of clothing. Why do people dress differently for special occasions?
People dress differently for special occasions to show respect and match the importance of the event. Wearing formal or unique clothes makes the occasion feel more meaningful. It's also a way to express personal style and celebrate the moment in a memorable way. Additionally, it helps create a festive atmosphere for everyone involved.
Do you think wearing formal clothes is important?
Yes, wearing formal clothes is important for certain situations like weddings, interviews, or business meetings. It shows that you care about the occasion and take it seriously. Formal clothes also make a good impression and often boost your confidence. They convey professionalism and help set the tone for important events.
How do clothing styles change with time?
Clothing styles change with trends, influenced by culture, celebrities, and technology. For example, what people wore 20 years ago looks very different from today's fashion. Modern clothes are often more casual and practical, but traditional styles still hold value for special events. Fashion today also prioritizes sustainability and comfort more than ever before.
Is it better to buy expensive clothes or affordable ones?
It depends on the purpose. Expensive clothes are often higher quality and last longer, making them a good investment. Affordable clothes are practical for everyday use or if you want to follow trends. A mix of both is usually the best choice. Personal budget and frequency of use are also important factors to consider.
That's the end of the speaking test. Good job.